Hey everybody, it's Mark here for the I Am Rebels, and today I just want to shoot a quick video to share with you some of the tools, the online tools that we use to really save us a bunch of time and get a whole lot more done. And some of these you may have heard of, some of these you may be using, but maybe some of them you haven't. So I'm just going to walk you through really quickly some of the things that we use on a fairly regular basis to save all kinds of time. Now, one of the big ones for organization is something called Basecamp. And this basically allows, if you're working with a group, as we are, of other people, this kind of automates everything. You can just set up new information and set it to automatically email other members. They can log in, make any edits, make any changes. So if you're working on a shared document, a shared product, ideas, anything you just want to log and keep track of, it's so fast. It's just automatically updated. Everybody gets an email notification. Really, really easy to work with. So here's Basecamp. And if we just log in, you're going to see everything we've got going on right here. Now, let's say, just for fun, we want to start a whole new project. We'll just call this, for the purposes of the video, the test project. We can invite anyone on our team. So if I include down here, they'll auto-populate. So we'll go Shane. We'll invite Lee. We'll let Brian know about it. And then start the project. And this is our test project. It's really simple. So let's say I want to add a text document. And here I go. I can go, hey clowns, pay attention. And then right in here I can edit anything I want. Shooting a new video. You guys need to check it and edit. And that's it. And then if I go save this document, it's all there. And they're instantly going to be notified that I've got something going on. We've added a new project to Basecamp. They've been invited to it. They can come on in. Obviously, I can delete this, which I should now, because, we don't need to waste all their time. All right, so that's Basecamp. Very, very useful organizational tool. Worth checking out. I do believe they have a free trial, so it's certainly worth a look. That's one of the things we use to save a lot of time. Now, here's another one of my favorites. And it's this nifty little website. Doesn't cost you a penny. It's called IFTTT, standing for If This Then That. And what this does is it allows you to automate a lot of the stuff you would do to share information mainly through social media. So, for example, anything you create is called My Recipes, and there's all sorts of templates you can already choose from, or you can create your own. But if you look at the ones we've got set up, if we do a new WordPress post, it's going to tweet it to our Twitter account automatically. No logging into separate accounts. It just happens. And you'll see this has been run about 44 times. If we do a new WordPress post, then it's going to go to our Google Plus page via Buffer, which is pretty cool. There's a second step in there. That's just the way it works with this system, but there's all sorts of options. And same goes, which has really helped us, is when we do a new WordPress post, it posts to our Facebook page. So simple, and the potential for this is really unlimited. I mean, imagine if you decided to hire yourself out to a local business to manage their social media campaigns, maybe do some blog posts for them. They don't need to know that you can automate all of this. You do one blog post, you have this running in the background, and it goes to unlimited social media accounts. Like, there's all sorts of options available to you. So I really, really like this tool. I found it's working very, very well for us. So that's another big one. Lastly, and I can't speak to the other rebels as to whether they use this little tool, but I do all the time, and it's a fun one. It's the Online Thesaurus. Now, you might ask, why the heck would I do this? Well, as a few of you know, I do write a lot of emails. I do a lot of ghost writing in emails. I have copywriting clients, and as many copywriting courses as I have on my hard drive that I make a habit of studying. Sometimes you just need a replacement for a word that you've seen in your copy too many times. And you can go through all the lists of power words and triggers and everything you want, and sometimes you just need something fresh. So, I mean, you go ahead up here and you type in any word, and bam, you just get all sorts of options spewing right out at you. And it can really make a significant impact on the quality of the copy you're writing, the sales letter, the email, any piece of content, whatever it happens to be. And I mean, completely free. It's there for you to use. I mean, any online thesaurus will do. This was just the first one in the search results, and it's what I refer to all the time. So there you have it. 3 simple tools that we're using on a regular basis to save us a whole lot of time, make us more efficient, and let us, enjoy ourselves instead of like being slaves to the computer all day, every day. So hope you got a ton of value out of this. Looking forward to hearing your feedback, and have yourselves an amazing day.